If you're a presenter creator type, then there's a specific way you should approach creating videos to make things work for your brain. And if I were you, the way I would use Ecamm as a presenter would be to set up simple anchor scenes to help you flow naturally, keep it moving, but not lose your place. Now, if you don't know your creator type yet, then you need to head to the quiz, find out what type you are, and then come on back. As a presenter, I would keep it simple, but still give myself cues to keep things moving. And that can be as simple as having a camera only scene, but changing it up from point to point. Of course, if you want, you can add bullet points, you can add images, you can add extra media. But as a presenter, I know you really are the focus of the show, of the story, of the video. And all you truly need is a little reminder to keep things moving. And your success as a presenter comes from using Ecamm as your co-host, your co-pilot, something to quietly keep you on track while you get to stay in the spotlight. Customizing your framing, making the image look great while you are still the focus, and having little things to help remind you to keep it moving are how you're going to be successful as a presenter making videos using Ecamm. Give it a try, and if you're a presenter, please let us know how are you using Ecamm to help you make your videos. Because you presenters, I know you want to talk. I know you want to talk. I know you want to tell us. I know you want to share, and I want to hear it.